Hi guys, in today's video I will show you exactly how to find the SWIFT code of Islami Bank Bangladesh Limited in 2025. So the SWIFT code will be needed for you to send or receive the international payments safely. Now in order to find the SWIFT code of this bank, you basically have two options. First of all, you need to come here on islamibankbd.com, which is the official website of the Islami Bank Bangladesh Limited. Now over here in the right hand section, click on the option of this search icon. Now in the search bar, simply search for SWIFT code. Now once you search for the SWIFT code, it is going to show you the results if available. So if you see any the kind of results or the articles over here with that particular thing, you can find your SWIFT code. But as you can see, it is not showing any result for the SWIFT code. So if that's the case with you as well, you can just simply use this website, which is bank.codes/SWIFT code search. So once you come here, first of all, you need to select your country, which in our case is Bangladesh. After that, you will have to select the bank, which in our case is Islami Bank. So here, after selecting it, simply select the city, and then as per the information that you have added over here, it is going to show you the SWIFT code of that particular city. Now the SWIFT code may changes based on the city that you have selected, so make sure that you use the right SWIFT code. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.